Funny, I know. How does it go? Just right there. For some reason, it doesn't look right. For some reason. Oh, well, there you go. Let's try number 12, please. How was your weekend? Five. Somebody asked me how my weekend was today, and I was like, I can't remember. It's Tuesday. You don't ask how someone's weekend is on a Tuesday. And I could have used that opportunity to talk about church stuff, but I chose not to. I chickened out. Why did I chicken out? Church happens on the weekend. So something happened at church that where's my sidekick? He hasn't appeared yet. Captain America, Doctor Strange. Captain Strange Doctor. Ads. So, strange thing happened at church this week. So, the scheduled speaker came down with something and was not able to speak that day. So they went on with the normal service, but they opened the floor to anyone who wanted to say anything. So people asked for prayers about certain items, things that are going on in their lives. And the response that people gave back was like, they really liked that. They really liked that corporate, you know, everybody giving their own 2 cents. And the funny thing is, that's what we used to do just about every service at my old church. So I was quite used to piping up with my own 2 cents. Oh, now you're back? Sorry. I thought you were back earlier. Do I need to repeat my story? So I'm not sure what God is doing there. Something tells me that God was doing something there. Because people were sharing things that they said, I wasn't going to share this, but and then they went on and shared it. And for one member, I said, hey, I've gone through that very same situation, and here's what I did. Not saying you should do the same, but it worked out for me when I did ABC, XYZ. Give it some thought. Give it some thought, give it some prayer. Think about it, pray on it, sleep on it. I heard you about everyone giving their 2 seconds because the speaker couldn't show up. Yes, exactly. So, stay tuned. If there's more to say on that matter, I will bring that up. Let's see what happens in the weeks to come. We shall see. But things that encourage me on about our new church. So your church doesn't have a steady pastor or was on vacation. So there is a leader who is going through his pastor training, and he is definitely going to be the pastor, but he's not. So brethren in Christ, I'm not sure if they call him ordained or if they call him. So he's going through his training, but he's not the every week pastor. So he does do some speaking every 4 weeks. And there's another rotation. So there are 3 other speakers who come to speak when they are able. And this week, Bob was not able to show up. Just curious because my pastor just retired on Sunday, so I was curious. Okay. So that means you're without a pastor, or does that mean... Are you saying you're looking for a pastor, or are you saying that you're looking for, hey, what does a church do without a pastor? Here's an idea. Let's just let everybody else speak. So what we did is we had a Bible Project video, and there was another video by Freddie Prinze, and both of those videos were about a similar subject. And my church is a small Spanish congregation. Okay. That's an idea. Yeah, so we had 2 videos, and they just asked for responses on those videos, and people who are asking for prayers about certain situations.